morning, you guys. So right now, I'm just actually come outside for I'm just come outside for start the intro, right? Because I want a little vitamin D, which are the sun. I'm just feel like I'm a little cute, right? So if we just start the intro, I understand. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna prepare some breakfast. Maybe an omelet. Omelet, either is a yeah, omelet and some tea. Then go to some work. Later, I'm gonna wash my hair because I plan to do my hair tomorrow, and I plan to wash some clothes later as well when water come. Basically, that's it. Preparing for my birthday. Well, starting to, but Jesus Christ, my birthday is Friday. My birthday is Friday, March 19. So that's what's up right now. Ooh, that's when I feel good. Guys, please comment some. I'm actually planning to braid my hair because the plan, well, kind of a bit of a plan is to go water activities, go in the water, swim or whatever. So it's not wise. Well, I don't think it make any sense to put in here and then go in water, because you know when you're having the wefts or whatever you guys call it, you're gonna end up scratching. So when you're having braids now, it can last longer. It's a bit cheaper, and also we can go in the water. So it's about, I want to do my nails, but I don't know how that will go based on the timing I'm at work for do, and but thank God someone get the weekend. I'm supposed to be grateful, but only want the week off, but so I go. But follow me inside now for go prepare my breakfast. And how you guys want your egg too? Come here, prepare breakfast for now. You want your egg fried, crispy, sunny side up, or you want an omelette? Comment that below. And how much slice of bread you want? For me, I want 2 slices of bread, 1 cup of tea, my egg or my omelette I'm gonna prepare. And then that's it. You see, if I had fruits like orange in the morning, I don't really fancy banana, right? Banana in the morning, or papaya, or pineapple, or grapes, yeah. But banana, to me, I don't really like banana in the morning, right? Banana in the morning. It just gives me a you understand? So fruits in the morning. And if you guys don't eat breakfast in the morning, what do you guys have for a substitute? Fruits and veg? Or you guys normally have like color one saltfish, cabbage and saltfish, you know, ackee and saltfish, pickle, Jamaican dinner. Ooh, that's when I get really at now. So I go inside and start talking now. I'm really hungry. I can't see, I'm hungry. So let's go inside. Guys, I just do 1 egg and 2 franks because 1 egg leave back. So to me, I can't make omelette with 1 egg. It's just too small. And just my 2 slices of bread, and I eat that on my tea. So I go. So guys, I think I have a full routine of how I make a eggs omelette. It's on my channel, but this is a breakfast. Always take down a big bucket of ketchup. That's why it's always good to save back a KC ketchup or any fast food restaurant to go and get ketchup, because they can, you know, so my sausage is so I put it down and put the ketchup on my sausage. This is my breakfast. Guys, I like ketchup, okay? And I put some salt on my egg already. I see if I have black pepper and then put some black pepper. Then I'm my tea right here, so I'm a fork, but know me, even though I try to cut the sausage, but I can't cut with this hand. I'm right-handed, so one piece, take it. Yeah. So go have my breakfast now, you people, and that's it. So if anything, I come get back to y'all. So people, when I realize that after I'm the breakfast, whenever I do nothing else, I'm gonna tell you guys from this morning. So I'm planning to wash some clothes and wash my hair. Come here, I got hair so tomorrow. You understand? So we'll go around the back now and go for the hose for putting on the machine and just wash. Yes, me know so no see them week there. But let's get into washing right now.
Hey guys.
Yeah, chin ever there. Come like a chin live here. She really live here for true. Trust me. Yeah. People, I have 500 Jamaican dollars in my hands right now. So I'm gonna buy a box food at Orville with $500. This is $100 bill. This is a $50 bill. Let me show you. I don't want to go inside. Somebody check out the money to my hand. Yeah, and a $50. So two $50 equal $100. $1,000 equal $1,000. 20. Oh, I'm not in the silver, so I can't show you what I mean. But yeah. So people, we're at Orville. Orville. The price list. Orville? You have ready food? Oh, alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So large is 600, medium 500, small 400, other meat, small box. I want to look a chair for some Anna while we wait. $500. Lots of gravy on the rice, please. Thank you. Me and Chindy are one people. Richington. I don't know, don't ask me. This is the food. So when I reach home, but by now you guys should know how Orville food look. What's cat? Say hi. Can you tell me no, my people? Eh? My people them. Guys, my friend and I back. Ask her she did there. Was chatting, chit-chatting and stuff.
This food now burn it on. It doesn't matter, I'm still white.
What kind of style that? Guys, this is a food. So, you know the famous Orville fried chicken with the gravy and the mac and the veg and the rice and peas. People come up for special for me, getting a special. Make rice and peas right to some. Yeah, people. So I'm gonna have this now because I'm planning to do some more work at night. Plus, I wash and then I still intend to wash my hair tonight. So, yeah. So, what we want peas? Alright, I'm gonna give you a little. Take a little and left some for me. Alright, when my belly full, I'm here now, belly now. Alright, big up on itself. People, look at the time. I'm still at one close down. But guess what? so people, my birthday is around the time. Friday is my birthday. I feel excited. But what am I going to do?
We ready for your birthday?
I don't know, no, but all thing I know I want to look cute tomorrow. So tomorrow's vlog, yeah, so I'm going to do my ear and my nails. I'm going to do some so stay tuned for that. Guys, comment below what color nails should I do. What color nails for the
But why them see this you have the color already?
Yeah, let's see who is lucky.
The red.
The red.
Yeah.
Right.
When I grip there.
You want the dark? The dark color? This is a normal simple red?
Oh, yeah, no, the brown color.
Burgundy?
No, brown. Like you have this cute brown color. No, I have to show you a picture.
But somebody else come for us, so guys, so I still a wash. And
you actually finished wash your angle.
No, I still have more clothes to wash. But tomorrow I go wash. Tomorrow I have a lot of things to do. And chin bread there on the corner, people. You guys can chin bread Wednesday, March 24th. Can you believe that? Me a big
PayPal
man,
me, please.
And Chin a big man.
Can't believe I'm gonna be a big man. Like, I'm done with teenager life.
She not done it because she's still doing it. See me. So yeah, so we'll go back in. We'll talk. Let me just go on and want my clothes then. This must dry by the morning.
The woman have to can't wash her. Where's the in-law?
Oh, people. When I'm hang out in the clothes, I'm not hang out in the clothes inside out, or I'm just hang up in the clothes any other business. Cause this inside out, but this outside. So let me know how you hang your clothes on the line, or is there like one line supposed to be blouse only, one line shorts?
I used to do that, but I'm still doing.
I still do it sometimes. One line sheets only, make it look kind of organized. But me do that sometimes. But right now I'm just can't. I just want to take them out on the machine. Put them up, don't talk to no for a bit. Then edit the video so you can post somewhere I'm up on the road. So
take time and breathe.
What a day I'm gonna give up push baby. So, but
you was pregnant.
Me I got do a labor and delivery story. Don't know when.
She's not even breathing. No, never funny.
So hopefully in Jamaica, well, China got there. Hopefully for the China faint. She look at one big head and go to her stomach.
Excuse you, I'm a nurse. You forgot.
Oh, sorry.
I don't faint.
Guys, just remember set big up Chin. So remember set Chin link. Where Chin link I'll go today. Description or comments.
Description and comment.
So if you put your description and comments, oh my merch I got reach. What am I gonna reach now? Guys, I don't know some of my merch them, so ensure you're crap in the merch and go and like up the video them. I just done hang out now and then I get back to them. Yeah, people know something like this from morning. When I done make a whole lot fresh come know say you are watching say last you know this from morning and night. No, yes. Me are the wife for duties. Big up my baby daddy coming know some baby daddy I watch this. Big up you sir. Good morning you guys. I just saw wake up. I'm going to the hairdresser, but before I even start today's vlog, I'm going to end yesterday's vlog. So, never really done much yesterday, as you guys saw. I made breakfast, I washed my clothes. Yeah, I had dinner, but I just never showed. Did I show it? Yeah, I showed it. I went to Arville and buy a box food. And practically that was it. So, I just come back to the end of the vlog to start a new vlog now because early time now I'm going to go to the ear and go wash my ear before I go on the road. So, thank you again so much for watching, you guys. Hope you guys enjoy today's vlog. Keep in mind that Friday is my birthday. Okay, so big up on the stuff. Stay sweet, stay positive. Remember to follow me on all social media to keep up to see what I'm doing on my birthday, even though I would be vlogging that day still, but just keep your loop on for me on TikTok too. And what else? Send your interest, people. Send your interest. And what else? Yeah, and crap your merch as well. The link is in the description, also in the comment section. So remember to crap your merch and follow Chin channel too, and show us some love because Chin birthday next week Wednesday, which is the 24th. That was the time I say it on the video. If you never forget to know I'm beaten. So I'm gonna wash my ear now and see if I can go link up Chin so she can find me the hairdresser. Wonder if she's nice today. She gonna be nice because I birthday come and she want something. So later. Bye.